Okay, hi everyone. This is Anna Maria Millet from Anna Maria's YouTube channel. What I'm doing right now is I'm making some chicken francaise. I have some lovely thin chicken cutlets, and I am dipping into my egg and milk mixture with a little salt and pepper. And now I'm just putting some flour on them that also has a little salt and pepper. And now I am frying them up in my frying pan here. It has some olive oil, and once they're brown on both sides, I'm going to take them out, and then I'm going to show you some of the next steps. Okay, great, thank you. Okay, everyone, I'm back, and my chicken now is all cooked up. And now I just put a couple of pats of butter in this pan with some lemon slices, and I'm going to let this lemon for just a minute or two to soften up, because this is what I'm going to put on top of the chicken. And I'll be back in a second. Okay, so the next step now is I'm going to add some white wine. I add a little more butter. I added a good amount because I need a good amount of sauce, also for the pasta. Now I'm going to sprinkle in a little lemon juice. I mean, you can use bottled lemon juice as well, but I'm using this because I have the lemon. And now I'm going to add some chicken stock. You can also add some cream if you want. Like I said, I'm adding a bit more because I have my pasta too. And I'm going to let this reduce now, and I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so now I have my sauce. I add a little flour to the sauce just to thicken it up. I'm putting these babies back in so they absorb some of the flavor. And then I'm going to plate it up, and you'll see in a minute. I also have some nice pasta, so I'm going to serve this along with pasta and just use the sauce on top of the pasta, and it's going to be great. On a paper plate. Hi everyone, so I know this is on a paper plate and I'm going to get some critiques, but here's the nice piece of chicken francaise with a little lemon and a side of pasta with the sauce from the francaise sauce. Then you just put a little cheese, a little parsley, and you're good to go. Have a great night.